delicious when it crunches. That's why I love Nestle Crunch.
Self-destruct sequence.
Okay guys, we have to be careful. Someone here is possessed by an owl. Who? That's the thing, we don't...
How's the war going for you guys?
I can't wait to go back home and see my mom.
What are you doing? Okay, stop. We'll go out for a walk. Ma! Come get this dog. It's pissing all over the floor. You know, look me in the face like it's okay. Go ahead. Go take a while you're at it. Ma!
Are you underwater?
Hello, how are you? I am under the water.
My goldfish died, and I felt like I lost a part of me. I'm so sorry to hear that, ma'am. I had to flush him down the toilet.
I can show you the world. Shining, shimmering spread.
Repeat after me.
Okay.
Crispy, juicy, tender.
I just put my newborn son into a blender.
Pick a number from 1 to 10. Really? Yes. 10. 10 seconds of pepper spray.
Oh, a dollar.
Only my weapon understands me.
Oh, yes, I...
Trick or treat. Trick! Trick or treat. Trick! Trick or treat. Treat. Trick!
No, che carino il pupazzo di Among Us. No.
How could I ever acquire enough detail to make them think that it's reality?
Have you ever had a dream?
Hola, soy Dora. Can you say puedes hacerme un sándwich? That means can you make me a sandwich in Spanish?
Hey, sweetheart, how'd you like to take a ride in a real bike? She's 16!
Are we there yet?
Not yet.
Are we there yet?
Not yet.
Are we there yet?
Not yet.
Are we there yet?
Let's play a game.
How about you fix us a drink?
I was hiding under your porch because I love you. Can I stay?
No.
At 6:41 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Tuesday, Environment Canada has issued a marine tornado warning for Upper the Great Lakes. Extra care and attention should be exercised in and around the following marine areas: Georgian Bay. Environment Canada meteorologists are tracking a severe thunderstorm that is possibly producing a tornado. Damaging winds, large hail and locally intense rainfall are also possible. Tornadoes are often wrapped in rain and may not be visible. Take cover immediately if threatening weather approaches.
This first song is called A World on Fire.
This'll sting a little, but it'll make your wound heal faster, I promise.
Well, time for bed. Wait. Just in case there's any monsters down there.
As part of your driving test, you see an old man and a young kid. What do you hit?
the old man? Well, I mean, the kid has his whole life ahead of him. So, I would hit the old man, right?
The brakes. You'd hit the brakes.
Joey, are you possessed? Oh my...
Girl, what the?
This is just a regular little gummy bear.
Oh, hi.
And I've decided to destroy it.
What you eating? A sandwich made with Clausen's bread. Want a bite? Sure.
Girl, what the?